So just off of idle, I've noticed a little bit of noise on the intake side of the head. I'm guessing I probably measured a valve shim wrong, and I need to go back in there and fix that. So I believe I found my problem. Let's see if I can get in here and show you guys. It's going to be kind of difficult. See that cam chain guide in the back there? If I can get it to refocus just a little bit. That cam chain guide for the front of the engine is not in there correctly. I think that's what's causing my noise. I'm going to check the valves again anyway since I'm in here, and I can record that and show you guys, but I'm pretty sure that's it. So I'm going to take the tension off the cam chain, and then there you go. Now you can see it. It's in there crooked. I'm going to fix that guide, and then I'll check the valves again just in case.